This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need credentials and speed. Sign up for Haro, verify your email, and select niches that match your expertise. This makes queries relevant. Once done, prepare 3 short pitch templates, expert, data-backed, and anecdotal, so you can adapt quickly. Make sure your author bio includes 1 3-strong backlinks, a concise credential line, and a headshot link. This setup cuts response time. Quicker replies raise placement odds, so be ready to paste, personalize, and send within hours. Once the digest lands, scan for high-value queries during the first 6 hours. Use Haro filters or a keyword search to prioritize leads. When you find a match, craft a tight reply. Start by referencing the query, present a unique angle, and add 1 or 2 specific data points or a brief example. Make sure your pitch stays under 150 words and include your name, title, 1 contact method, and the desired backlink. This precision increases the chance an editor picks your response. You close the loop by confirming details once an editor shows interest. Ask for publication date, exact URL, and preferred byline format. After publication, record the placement in a spreadsheet, outlet name, URL, domain authority, and date, so you can measure ROI. If you don't get picked, don't panic. Wait 1 to 4 days, then refine your template or try a different angle. Quick troubleshooting tip: if you never hear back, reduce length, add a new data point, and resend a cleaner, sharper pitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.